Hi guys, welcome to Puliadi's kitchen. Today we are going to learn how to make pudina chutney. It's called mint chutney in English and it's called losta in Saurashtra. This tasty South Indian pudina chutney is served with idli, dosa, pongal, upma, etc. And this chutney is very famous among Saurashtrians. Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to make mint chutney. It's actually called pudina chutney or losta in Saurashtra. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. It's one of the most wanted recipe again and it's very good for health. To make this, we need one bunch of curry leaves, one bunch of cilantro, one bunch of mint leaves. For friends in India, cilantro is coriander leaves. This chutney doesn't get spoiled and it lasts for 1 week for me. So if you want to make it less, you can make half bunch of all these leaves and adjust the spices according to that. We need quarter cup of urad dal. You can add split or whole urad dal. I am adding whole urad dal today. 1/8 cup of chana dal. Chana dal is optional, but I usually use it. We need 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 lemon sized tamarind pulp soaked in water, 1 cup of chopped ginger, 15 to 20 red chilies. You can add red chilies according to the spice you need. For tempering, we need oil, mustard seeds, urad dal, chana dal, little bit of hing and little bit of haldi, and some red chilies and curry leaves. Wash curry leaves, cilantro and mint leaves thoroughly with water and soak the tamarind with 1 cup of water. Remove the curry leaves and mint leaves from the stem, and for cilantro you can just remove the bottom part and you can use the sprigs for cilantro. You can remove the seeds and the fiber from the tamarind pulp and it should be a smooth paste. Wash the ginger, peel it, cut it and keep it ready. Now that everything is ready, we can start the cooking. Switch on the stove and in a pan add 3 tablespoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and little bit of hing. Keep the flame on medium low and add quarter cup of urad dal. And then add 1/8 cup of chana dal to this. Stirring it, roast them well in oil for 2 to 3 minutes or until the dals become golden brown. You can add 3/4 cup of chopped ginger to this now and stir it well. Keep the flame on low and then add 15 red chilies to this. This spicy, tangy, flavorful chutney is all-time favorite for a lot of South Indians, so don't hesitate to put lot of red chilies. All the ingredients we are adding has excellent health benefits, so that's why we make this chutney all the time at home. Add the mint leaves to this now. Mint leaves are rich in nutrients and is really helpful to relieve cold symptoms. Add curry leaves to this now. Curry leaves have anti-inflammatory properties, offers antibacterial properties, and it controls blood sugar levels. Now add cilantro to this now. Adding cilantro to your diet lowers anxiety and stress and is rich in antioxidants. They say adding cilantro to your diet improves your sleep also. So you can add these herbs in proper quantities to your diet. Add 1 tablespoon of salt or you can add salt according to your taste. Stir it well occasionally and cook on low flame. Add the tamarind pulp now. Add half cup of water to this now. Cook until the raw smell goes away for about 5 minutes. And then you can switch off the stove. Cool it nicely for 15 minutes and then we are going to grind this in a blender. I am grinding half the ingredients first in a blender. While blending, you can add a little bit of water if you need to. Blend it nicely until it becomes a smooth paste. You can blend the other half of the ingredients now. We use only 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of this chutney to eat with idli or dosa, so it lasts for a long time. Transfer this chutney to the pan and heat this on medium flame. Since we added water to the chutney while grinding, we are heating this. And also, since we are going to store it for a longer time, we have to heat it so it won't get spoiled. Please remember to store the chutney in the fridge after it cools down completely. You can switch off the stove when it starts bubbling. And now for tempering, switch on the stove and in a small pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of urad dal, half teaspoon of chana dal, pinch of hing and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 red chilies and some curry leaves to this now. You can heat this until the mustard seeds starts popping and you can switch off the stove and add this tempering to the chutney. Mix it well before serving. Your world famous Pudina chutney is ready from the Puliadi's kitchen and you can enjoy this with idli, dosa, pongal and upma. This is a South Indian mint chutney and it's not used with chaat, so please don't get confused. I hope your Pudina chutney turned out great. Enjoy with your family. Hope you liked the recipe and enjoyed the video. Thank you.